as after the debate, we come to our conclusion that both the sectors are being interdependent on each other. Likewise, the government sector has their own importance and the private sector play have their own importance in life of the common people. Like we talk about the government sector, they provide us a better job, better facility and a job security factor. And talking about some of the good advantages of private sector are like they provide us a good sanitization problem, good sanitation, good hospital, good education, and that basically we need for. But both the sector and talking about the private sector, they provide us a good education. And when you get a good education, you got a good job in a government sector, and that basically for a student learn to get a job in a government sector. So both have their own importance. Thank you.
The government sector have a good importance because they have not a lots of money. They have not a lot of cost. They take any type of hospital in terms of they are cost free. Like in government hospital, we have go for only 5 rupees to 10 rupees. They have take the cost. They have take the fee for any patients. And in government college, they have a good study about that, and they have not have a good lot of money. In private sector college, they have they taking lots of money and lots of commissions they take, and not a scope of future. They have a guarantee that a transfer that most of the students are not get a higher post. But in government college, they get they have a valid to any for any cost of job, and they have a many cost of agreement job influence. In government college, less of the cost we have to spend.
After debate, we got the conclusion on government sector or private sector. That is local education. We can get any job in both sector, and in this era, people mostly need more jobs, so they can go in both sector. After that, both sector is important in everyone's life. We can get proper education of hospitalization in private sector, and in government sector we get security and more benefits things on that.
After debate, we are everything about each other. Like government sector and private sector is independent to each other, and we got every rich people and every poor people is in the government school to study purpose, and they got good jobs in the government sector. And every business and every hospital are big in the government sector, and always the private sector they are good.
So after the debate, I have to say the conclusion about the topic is, in my opinion, both sectors are good because in private sector we are seeing most of the hospitals and colleges, schools, they are providing many facilities to the students or the people, and there are many types of jobs secure in the private sector, because we are seeing in a type of many companies, big companies like Reliance, Amazon, Google, etc. And when we talk about the government sector, there are many facilities. The person who have not enough money to go to the hospital or to go to any type of to study in the college, they can also afford the money of the government colleges. So in my way, government college or government sector is best.
After debate at conclusion, I'm talking about the private sector. Private sector is a very good, which provide any type of job and education, health, and more benefits of private sector. Private sector is a very good sector. Private sector, many people are getting a job, better job, and with a skill, you have a more and good skill, and then you have many big companies that offer both of job, and private sector is a more facility as compared to government. sector, and government sector is like government teachers are very not active for children future, but in private sector government private teachers are very active for students good career, achieve goal and motivate any time, and any type of problem solve teacher, and children are discussed in teacher any type of problem, and that's all.
Good, but government sector is very good because he is provide many facilities just like good health, good education, good education, and